Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. First and foremost, before we proceed in this video, I will advise you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive amazing and interesting topics from this YouTube after today. So today I'm going to take you on the different parts of the skeletal system. So we are going to look at what we have today. But before then, I will have to log into my doctor portal so that I can lead you to our patient center where you will have to look at the bones through our scanner. So let's get started. Yes, I am partnering with Dr. Allison, and in this video he is working with me so that we can look at what we have for today. So my name is Skeletal, as you all know. I'm going to type it here as I log into my doctor portal. So okay, I'm back here. Yes, we have a patient here and we are going to work with her. We are going to scan her body so that we can study the different parts of the bones. So we are going to select the body part, and in this video I'm going to look at the lower body. In the next video we are going to look at the upper body and the names of the bones. So let's start with the lower body. In this lower body we are going to start with the hip. After that we'll look at the knee. After that we'll look at the foot. So we are going to start with the hip, and so that we'll get acquainted with the names given to these bones. So let's start with the hip. You can see the body here. I'm going to raise this scanner up here. You can see up here we have what is called the lumbar vertebra. It terminates in this particular point called the pelvic girdle. So this pelvic girdle is a very large bone in the hip. And then if you go down the pelvic girdle, you have the sacral vertebra. Inside here is what is called the sacrum. And then it terminates in what is called the coccyx bone here. So the up bone here and here we have each hip bone is made up of 3 bones. So they are called the pelvic girdle. So when you move down here, there is an attachment, and this attachment is for the femur. The femur is attached to the pelvic girdle. Now the femur runs down here for the left hand side, right hand side, and equally runs down here for the left hand side. So we have 2 femur, the left femur and the right femur. So we have studied the bones of the hip down to the femur, from the lumbar vertebra down to the femur. So we are going to look at the bones. We are going to look at the bones of the knee. Now, as I've already said that the femur runs from the pelvic girdle down here, the femur here continues and form a joint with a other bone, and this bone is called fibula and tibia. So there are 2 in number. So we have a kneecap here called patellar kneecap that join the femur and these 2 bones called the fibula and the tibia. They run down here and they are going to terminate in the next section of the slide that I'm going to show you here. So let's go back and look at the feet bone. In the foot bone, we are going to look at the termination of the fibula and the tibia. The fibula and tibia end in a joint, and then we have a bone here called the tarsal metatarsal phalanges. So they have a total, the foot is made up of 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles. So if you go down here, you can see the tarsals. The tarsal is the first segment, the second segment is the metatarsal, and the last segment of the foot bone is called phalanges. So thank you for watching this video today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when we look at the upper part of the body, you can learn more bones. Thanks for watching.